Blogata today, and thank you very much, lo you Blogata joining me lo this totok blo me lo tonight. Me amamastru, semplanti bli blai salem toksawe or semba me tok tonight. Na me amamastru lo welcoming you again. Me sawe or semplanti line man meri lo country blo you mean outside lo country blo me too work lo arem so by me talk English. Tasol me like talk thank you through lo you Blogata. Also we play patiently lo last few months. Also Christmas coming up now. Parliament sit down so me no some time lo explaining planning or something he come up inside lo country lo this lo talk program lo you me. But over the next few weeks and months, maybe come up actively lo explain some all work lo come up. So take it through a good night lo you blogger. Firstly, so something will come up lo country. Misa also planning question come up lo side lo where one big case lo you mean lo country work lo appeal lo court lo national court inside lo Wegani. That's the issue lo Paraka case na planning question through to ikam inside lo you mean. So by me use talk English and explain the for this particular case. I just want to inform all our followers right throughout the country that I know that it has generated a great interest for many years. Just that the court is before the national court. I am limited in what I can say in this program tonight. But let me explain it to you in a nutshell that this is the situation. Paraka case. I am personally very happy to appear before the court to explain the decisions that my government made when we were in government, and to explain the alleged involvement of myself in this particular case and the payments that were made to Paraka lawyers, and how the case is now traveling before the national court today. I'm sure that many of you are fully aware of the witnesses that are appearing before the court case. If I'm called to appear, I have not been notified yet, but I am willing and gladly will appear any day, any time. So that's the first thing I want to say. In 2011, when we took over government, one of the first major decisions the government made at that time, and when I appointed Honorable Karen Gakua, member for Sinasina Yangubul as Attorney General, one of the first decisions was to review Paraka's involvement as the lawyer representing the state in many cases throughout the country. While we were reviewing that, I instructed and the cabinet instructed and the government was in general agreement that by me cancelling this involvement below this law firm. So we initiated the dismissal of the arrangements between government and Paraka lawyers in 2011, just after we took government, and knowing very well that the Paraka lawyers were appointed by the previous government for many years prior to us coming to government in 2011. And we're already aware of the complaints that were being made and the huge amounts of legal fees that were being paid without much scrutiny and much clearance. After that, we canceled the contracts, and of course, some of the claims that were being floating around were for previous work that was done by this law firm under the then government. I personally have told most of our ministers that were responsible for these payments that under no circumstances, without proper clearance, that this should be paid. Unfortunately, along the way, when we try to address this issue, a single letter was found to be been written by my office, signed by me, and sent to the finance secretary to try and help this particular payment being made. Well, I have denied that that particular letter came from our office or it was signed by me. The signature appears to be mine, but I'm willing to go to court to address that issue, and I'm prepared to try and make sure that it is addressed once and for all. I have been summoned and appeared in courts, and I've appeared in various litigations before. The decisions are public record for them to see. But I can tell the nation in no uncertain terms. One, I have absolutely zero dealings with Paraka lawyers or Mr. Paraka himself. I have never met him. I've never had discussions with him. And secondly, I can put